what's up? This is Radhika and I'm back with another DIY video. So these DIYs are super fun, super easy. I really enjoyed doing them a lot. 5-minute craft you can do when you are bored. And guys, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to press that red subscribe button. Give this video a big thumbs up, share with your family and friends. And do follow me on my social media, link is in the description. And guys, if you recreate any of the DIY, you can post them tagging me and I'll repost them because I love to see the recreations. Yeah, that's it. Without wasting any time, let's get into the video. So for the first DIY, you'll need some pista shells. I have painted them pink in color. You'll need a hard paper or a cardboard circle for the strong base. Once it's done, add some glitters and yeah, it will end up looking like this and it's looking beautiful. I'm definitely gonna make more of such a different colors. So next is this cute monster DIY bookmark. For this, all you need is a sheet of a paper and make 3 squares of 5 centimeter like so. Now join the diagonals as I'm doing and cut it. Then you need to paste the 2 triangles. Now use different color of sheet, like it's totally up to you, your creativity. And it's ready. Now moving on to the next DIY, you'll need a glass bottle. I'm using a Eno bottle. I thought of decorating it. I'm just making this circular pattern on the entire bottle with the black liner. Once you are done with it, you need to color it with different colors. I'm using different colors randomly. You can just do it with 1 color or 2 color or 3 colors. Yeah, it's totally up to you. I'm using different colors randomly. And do let the black liner dry first, then only start coloring it. It will take 15 to 20 minutes to dry. I made a small one similarly, and I think they both look so cute. So for the next DIY, I have this white cushion cover. I thought of painting it. So I'm doing stamp work here, so I need a potato. Just cut it in two halves. Cut the half part again. Now I'm gonna use this part for the stamp work. Just apply some red paint on it. Just stamp it wherever you feel like and do the finishing work afterwards with the help of a brush. Cover the pillow cover in the same way. After that, do the detailing with green and black color of the watermelon. Now this is totally optional. I thought of painting the other half. You can just stamp it all over the pillow. And this is the final look. That's all for today, guys. I hope you like it. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe and comment down your favorite DIY. Yeah, that's it. We'll meet in the next video. Bye bye.